This is the Moen Eva Centerset faucet in oil rub bronze finish. We have had this faucet in our home for about 6 years. It's held up extremely well, and I'm really happy with the way that the finish has held up on this. One thing to note in this dark oil rub bronze finish is that the photos from the manufacturer tend to appear a lot lighter than the way that the finish looks in real life. So that's something you need to be aware of. If you look at it and you think it's going to be this light brown color, it's actually quite dark. Now, this is the set that comes with the drain assembly, and this is one warning that I will have if you choose either oil rub bronze or black in your home. This is how the drain assembly looks after 6 years. Now, you can't tell as well now because it's wet, but we do have hard water, and we are getting hard water staining on this, deposits around this. So that's something that you do have to be aware of if you choose to go with the darker color. If that's something you want to avoid, you'll want to choose either the chrome or the brushed finish so that you can avoid that hard water staining. But on the whole, it's actually been a really, really great faucet. This is how you operate the drain down here. It's really super ergonomic, really elegant, and it comes with a huge collection of matching accessories and other faucets and things that can go with it.